You guys, let's open or let's what my mother bring for us. Hey, whoa, Winnie. The family pom pom. Man, they do me remember. Oh, that they do me when they speak the thing. So this one is to fan. Boom, boom, boom. Why else I like to do this one? Anyway, I put the do. Hey, well, thank you, Mama. Okay, so then I put our dress there. Igwe, look at the. Ay, Mama, that buy me more. So as money do and I be. Thank you, Mommy. The best mommy in the world. I love you. Thank you, Nim. Thank you so much. You guys can't wait to see my mom. Very soon, so you can't wait. Anyway, this one is for this. Let's check the next one. If na plantain day here, that means you don't waste. So let's see. Nigeria load though. This one I load from the village. Hey, let us begin see. Wow, look at the apple. Hey, I will keep it in fridge like this. What I do have done for me. Shall I tell you this how they do it?
Wow. This one I have done.
Yeah, what I brought wrapper for you. Oh my gosh. Wow, she brought wrapper for me. Tie wrapper. Wow. After her that I don't have tie wrapper. You guys know that I love wrapper so much. Thank you so much, Mommy. I don't know what they say about for now. What I have to do me remember. This is my mother. My mother do more long, but I didn't speak as well. You give it to Rapper. Where's my mother? I said, thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Nem. Okay. Wow, look, I have done.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you.
On a doggy EJD.
Hey, JD. Hey, see how I've done. Hey, I want to keep it in fridge. Just, correct? Wow. Now, this, our Gary today is good. Look at Gary now.
Makes you warm like 3.
Yeah, we'll eat that food. I've already buy something that we used to cook or have soup. Don't worry, he need okay. It's still fresh, you haven't spoiled. Wow, nice one. Wow, I'm so happy. Wait, which one is this one? I'll just keep it in fridge like this so that it will go down cool.